Hello again YouTube, it's Corey here. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing this air filter in this 2018 GMC Sierra. This has the 6-liter V8 gas engine in it. Here's your air filter box. There are 4 screws, 2 on the top here. Then we have 2 on the bottom. So you can do this a few different ways. You can use a Phillips head to get in there, or you can use a nut driver, and you can use a 5/16 nut driver, or also 8mm will work. Or you can actually, if you look close, you can use a flathead screwdriver, and it'll fit right in there this way. But the best bet would probably be to use the nut driver, so that's what I'm going to do. There's a 5/16 socket, fits on there perfectly. Go ahead and break all these loose. And here's the air filter I chose. STP SA8755. Just a basic type filter. Okay, these screws are all loose. You don't have to remove them the whole way. Just leave them in there like so. And you'll have to push this lid back to clear this part right here, else you can't lift this up. It's a pretty dumb design, but you can work around it. Okay, we have the lid propped up right there. Now we can grab the filter and pull it out of here. This could be a little better access, but what are you going to do? Okay, it's not bad at all. And we can see the inside of the air filter box here. There's some debris. What I like to do is get a vacuum cleaner and suck that all up. Here's the part number for this AC Delco OEM filter. And if you look at the new one, there's the part number there. Made in China, unfortunately, and this one's made in Canada. Take our new filter, slide it down into place. Just move it around this bar here. Okay, now we can get our cover back on. This little tip, you really got to push on this thing to get it to clear this bar. I had to put 2 hands on it. But yeah, so once you get this past that, just make sure you line everything up and install the 4 screws. It's as simple as that. Okay, that's the last screw. All these are snug. Double checking. Okay, I'm good. Good to go. That takes care of that. Before I go, I want to show you guys one more thing. In the owner's manual here, if you go to page 434, look at the maintenance schedule. Right here, replace engine air cleaner. If you go over here, check mark, which is 72,000 kilometers or 45,000 miles. I chose to replace it a lot earlier than that, but that's just me. You can do it whenever you want to, but yeah, just it's one of those things where if you live in an area or drive the truck in an area where it's dirty at, dusty roads and whatnot, and change the filter sooner. Just keep an eye on it. It's a cheap part. It's not that much money to replace a filter. So thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you liked the video. Check out all my other truck videos, And take care. I'll see you in the next one.